Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss with you a numerical problem on group efficiency of piles. The given numerical is in a construction site there are 9 piles arranged in a square pattern. Okay, and the pile diameter is 250 and the length of the pile is given as 12 meter. The deposit of soil is clay and the unconfined compression strength or compressive strength is 60 kilonewton per meter square. Compute the center to center spacing of the piles for a group efficiency factor of eta is equal to 1. Neglect the end bearing. Assume the addition factor alpha is equal to 0.9. So this is a given question. So in this type of numericals, students have to do the individual action of piles in a group and block action of pile group. So these two calculations should be done and it should be compared. And the lower value is taken as the pile capacity. Okay. And the group efficiency is the ratio of piles in the block action, the group capacity of the pile in the block action to the piles in the individual action of piles in the group. Okay, we will see how it can be calculated. Okay, so since it is given as a square pile group, so we can arrange the 3 rows of 3 piles. Okay, so and the given data are unconfined compressive strength of the soil, and half of that will give you the undrained cohesion, that is Cu. So this schematic shows you the given numerical. So in any numerical related to the this type of questions, you have to have a schematic representing all the details. Okay, so you can see here the pile spacing, which is not given in the question, which has to be calculated. Side of the pile arrangement, square pile arrangement is capital B, and this side also capital B. Okay, so this is the expression related to that. And the step 1 is to find out the ultimate load carrying capacity of the single pile. It is given in the question to neglect the end bearing effect because it is clay soil given in the question. So end bearing is not considered in this, only the frictional forces which are acting on the pile soil interface. The expression for finding out the ultimate capacity of single pile excluding the end bearing is this alpha times Cu times As. As is the surface area of the pile. Okay, it is calculated using the expression As is equal to 5 times diameter of the pile times length of the pile. So and 254.44 kilonewton is the ultimate load carrying capacity of the single pile. Now the second step is to find out the ultimate load carrying capacity of pile group of 9 piles on the basis of individual action. Okay, here you have already calculated for a single pile how much is the ultimate load carrying capacity, that is 254.44 kilonewton. Now that is nothing but the number of piles 9, so 9 into single load carrying capacity of single pile will give you the ultimate load carrying capacity of 9 piles on the basis of individual action, that is 2290 kilonewton. Now the third step is to find out the group capacity by block action of the group action of the pile. So this all will be considered as one single unit. Okay, unit of block. So all thing. Okay, so up to here it will be writing as a single unit of block including the pipe. Okay, so now for this the expression for this one is given as PB times Cu times L, the perimeter at the base of the block, okay, here the bottom side, and CU is already given in the question, and L is the length. Okay, so you can substitute in this, and you will get the expression number 2. Okay, the group efficiency of piles is given as the Q ultimate, that is in the group action on the basis of a block divided by on the basis of individual action. Okay, equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. And the calculation, already it is given in the question that group efficiency is equal to 1. So by considering that, substitute these 1 and 2, you will get this expression, and the value of S is equal to 670 millimeter. That is the answer of this numerical. But as per the Indian Standard 2911 Part 1, the minimum spacing is nothing but 3 times diameter of the pile, that is around 750 mm. You can mention this also in the answer paper. So I hope you understood this numerical. You can see the additional videos related to the pile foundation in my playlist in my channel. The details are given in the description box. Thank you very much for listening to me. See you all next time with a new video.